matter whether you're cooking for a party or a picnic, you want to use a set of cutlery that will match the level of the food you just cooked. So Adam is here, and he's going to talk to us all about disposable cutlery. Wait a minute.
Have you ever given any thought to your disposable cutlery?
Not a lot.
After this test, though, I found out that it's really worth thinking about.
Okay.
We tested 7 different sets of disposable cutlery. They're all really strong sellers. The price per utensil was from 5 cents to 30 cents. A lot of them were plastic, all these ones here. 3 of them were plant-based materials that are marketed as being a little more gentle on the environment. One was bamboo. These 2 were crystallized polylactic acid, or CPLA,
Okay.
100% compostable. The tests included eating roasted chicken thighs, and that taught us about the knives. Most of them did a fine job. The bamboo knife struggled a little bit. It got through the chicken just fine, but because these serrations are kind of blunt and squared at the bottom, it tended to shred the chicken as it cut through. So that wasn't perfect. In terms of the forks, we tried eating green salad and pasta salad. And you know, both of those things can get fairly slick because there's a lot of dressing involved. So you wanted sharp tines that would spear the food so you can pick it up. Again, the bamboo was the only one to struggle, and that's because you can see the bottom of these tines kind of squared off, kind of blunt. Some of them slid off the food. The really fun test was with the spoons because we ate ice cream. Frozen hard, dense, nice and firm. And this showed us which spoons were flimsier and bendier, which spoons were a little more rigid. I want you to try that ice cream right there with this plastic spoon right here.
Okay. Let's try this out. Yes. Oh my goodness. I think I'm going to flick it on you. Almost.
That was close.
Danger for you.
Yeah, the ones that bent were a real pain. They were flimsy. Testers had to end up choking up on the spoon, putting their hands closer to the bowl of the spoon, which then got their hands perilously close to their ice cream. Not ideal. Now I want you to try this one.
All right. Is this one going to flick it back on me, huh?
No way.
Oh, this feels like a regular spoon.
Yeah.
And you get a much bigger piece of ice cream.
Testers actually forgot that they were eating with disposable utensils. That's the CPLA. It's nice and rigid. So that's the best spoon that you can get. In terms of the handles, they wanted handles that were a little wider and smooth and just comfortable to grip. Some of them were thinner, had distinct ridges that dug into their fingers. And they even paid attention to the bowl of the spoon. The ones that were the least comfortable to eat from were either too deep or too shallow. The most comfortable were in the middle. They held about 1.5 teaspoons of material in the bowl. The winning disposable utensils was this set right here. It's the Ecovita 100% compostable cutlery combo set, 380 pieces, a lot of disposable cutlery.
Yep.
It was about 14 cents per utensil, or a little under $55 for the whole set. Testers thought that the price or the number of utensils might put some people off. They also chose a best set that was under 100 pieces. That's the Diamond Entertaining combo set. It's 96 pieces. It was 18 cents per utensil, or about $17 for the whole set.
Excellent. Well, Adam's got us all fitted out for our next big party. Just have to go out and buy the Ecovita 100% compostable cutlery combo set. It's about $55, and that's for 380 pieces. But if you're going for a smaller soiree, then maybe you want to go for the Diamond Entertaining combo set. That's about $17, and it'll get you 96 pieces. If you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, try our digital all-access membership, where you can stream every season of Cook's Country anytime. Scan the QR code or head over to cookscountry.com to sign up for a free trial. And let's make something great together.